Hello, I'm Ravi Kabra. I'm the CEO of Skippi Ice Pops. Skippi is India's first and only ice pops brand, and it is made from 100% natural flavor, natural colors, natural preservative, and natural sweetener. We are a brand which got popular last year on a Shark Tank India series on television, and since then the brand has really been growing across India. We are closely present in about 8,000 stores across India. We are available online on all major platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. And at the same time, we are growing every year, every month, month on month. And our customers love us for the great products, Skippi Ice Pops, that we have introduced into the market. And it's really exciting to be here. So today on this day, we are actually launching our Skippi Freezer franchisee bikes. With the franchisee model, we are coming into the market along with an EV bike which has got a freezer on top of it. And with this, we will be able to go and serve frozen popsicle directly to our consumers in different locations, public parks, schools, colleges, etc. So we will be appointing master franchisees across different cities across India, where these master franchisees can own about 10 bikes at least, and they can place these bikes across public places, and all our customers will actually enjoy having Skippi Ice Pops. So Skippi Ice Pops is basically a market leader today, and we are proud to say that we are the only national brand which is actually serving ice popsicles. And because it is 100% natural, it is very, very healthy and safe for all the family members, including kids. And we are proud to say that we are creating a massive category. How ice creams had created 20-25 years back, now we are actually starting an ice popsicle category. And in the coming next 4 to 5 years, you will see that it will be a very large business category for all of us. We have currently 2 SKUs. One is a box of 12 and the other is a bag of 36. All these are made from 100% ingredients again. And we are coming up with another 6 flavors by the end of Diwali. We will also be launching another new flavors in the month of January, and we are also increasing 4 different products under the Skippi umbrella brand by March of 2023. So these have got 6 flavors: orange, mango, lemon, raspberry, cola and bubblegum. And we will introduce another 6 flavors, which is a surprise for our audience. Probably you'll have to wait till Diwali to actually see them. The box of ice popsicle is at a price of 240 rupees for our consumers. A bag of 36 comes for 666 amount. And if you want to buy individual popsicles, sometimes in few stores even popsicles are available. You can choose your flavor probably for a price of 20 rupees. Yeah, so there are 2 verticals to our business. The first vertical is of course our distribution network, which we have been doing for the last 1 year, where we appoint distributors and super stockists pan-India wise. We currently have about 220 plus distributors in India and more than 70 super stockists. So these are the distribution channel to allow us to place these products of the Skippi Ice Pops into retail outlets, small kirana stores, A, B, C and D categories as well. But the other vertical which we have launched today is basically Skippi Freezer franchisee bikes. With these bikes, we will be targeting across pan-India, every city, every corner, street level. Maybe you will realize that the Skippi Freezer bike is actually standing in your gated community today, and you can actually walk down into the apartment and actually have frozen Skippi Ice Pops as well. So Anuja, who is also my wife and my co-founder, handles the entire production unit. We have a world-class technology-based manufacturing unit in Shamshabad in Hyderabad itself. We use a patented technology to ensure that the quality of the ice popsicles is amazing. Complete hygiene and complete safety measures are taken care of. We both are parents of 2 kids, and we would always want our consumers to have these ice popsicles in a very safe and healthy environment. So our manufacturing facility is situated in Shamshabad, right close to the airport. We currently have about 12,000 liters per day capacity, and we are looking forward to raise investments in the coming future because we are going to be increasing our production capacity as well. There's a huge demand for the brand. So our target is to make Skippi Ice Pops a national brand, not just in the ice popsicle category, but we are looking at creating Skippi as a brand pan-India wise, which will bring nostalgia, excitement back to our consumers with a great smile on their face. So going forward next year, you will also see a lot of products coming up in the Skippi brand name, and I can assure you, we can assure you that the quality and the excitement will always be there. So currently we are we are available in 130 cities across 20 states. We have 220 distributors, and we have loads and loads of inquiries. I could say thousands of inquiries for people who would want to connect with us as master franchisees and as distributors. And we are looking to book nearly 600 to 700 bikes of Skippi Freezer bikes in the next 5 to 6 months itself. When we just shared these ideas with our existing distributors, they themselves have already booked about 60 bikes with us. And that was just a beginning. We just wanted to do a soft launch. But today with this channel presenting us here, I'm I'm certain that 400 to 500 bikes in the next couple of months would not be a major challenge.
The Skippi Ice Pops comes into 6 flavors: cola, mango, raspberry, and bubblegum lemon. So this is made with 100% natural flavors and colors. You can see we have extracted this from the fruits and vegetables. So it tastes really yummy. Kids and adults, everybody enjoy these flavors. So we have an R&D team which do the quality test every time. Whenever we do a new batch, we run in a lab, and how it is the quality is maintained with the all the formulas and everything is maintained in the same form. So you'll be surprised that we have an age of 30 plus is enjoying this a lot rather than kids. The taste is really nice, very yummy. Everybody likes to eat one or two. It's like when I talk to my friends, they said we want a Skippi Ice Pops more and more to have it, so they love the taste.